About this item. 7 charging ports. Power more. This gaming desk comes with a built-in charging station featuring 4 AC outlets, 2 USB ports, and 1 USB-C port, giving you 7 charging options for your PC, monitor, laptop, phone, headset, speakers, and more. More ports and more device compatibility than a standard computer desk or office desk, keeping everything powered within easy reach. Reversible desk with RGB lighting. Choose from 12 preset modes using the controller or explore over 60,000 colors in the app. Adjust brightness, set timers, or sync the lights with music for an immersive gaming experience. This LED gaming desk with storage creates the ideal atmosphere for gaming, studying, or working from home. Spacious storage and PC display space designed for gamers and creators. This desk combines smart storage with a dedicated PC display area. The spacious side desktop doubles as a showcase platform for your gaming tower, accommodating PCs up to 21.7 inch in height, perfect for displaying your dream setup. It features a large fabric drawer, open shelf, under-desk PC shelf, elevated platform, and 3 removable S-hooks for organizing headphones, controllers, bags, and accessories. Comfortable viewing. The adjustable monitor stand offers 2 height settings, raising your screen to a more ergonomic eye level to help reduce neck and shoulder strain during long gaming or work sessions. This work desk with monitor stand also creates extra desktop space, making it a practical PC desk, writing desk, or work desk for home office use. Built for stability and easy assembly. Constructed with durable particle board and a reinforced steel frame, this study desk features corner brackets and dual X-braces for exceptional stability. The spacious legroom provides greater comfort, while numbered parts, clear instructions, and included tools make assembly simple. Brand PRAISUN. Shape rectangular. Product dimensions 18.9 inch dx63 wx29h. Color rustic brown. Style modern. Base material metal. Top material type engineered wood. Finish type polished. Special feature corded. Item weight 38.6 pounds.